I'm a goddamn individual. Sense of self makes me indivisible. With a flow that's so irresistible. And I've been running this like an elliptical. Inadmissible in my physical. Habitual is inexplicable.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. So today I'm going to be reviewing a new Bobbi Boss unit. This one's in the style Aaliyah, and I got it in the color 1B. It's a 13x4 hand-tied Swiss lace unit. It comes pre-plucked with a natural hairline. It says it has flawless free parting freedom, baby hairs, and a flex fit cap for secure comfort. So here is what the stock card for it is looking like. So let's take it out of the box and see what it looks like. Okay, so straight out of the box, this is what Aaliyah looks like. I like that it's like a moderate length. It looks like it's about to your shoulders. And this 1B is actually really dark looking. I kind of wish they had it in a color too, but unfortunately they don't. And then the color options that they have are more so just those out of the ordinary colorful colors, which I don't really go for, so I just wanted to see what it looked like in a more natural color. So it comes with like a ridiculous kind of amount of lace to cut off, which I haven't really seen like that. I don't really know what the point of so much lace is, but anyways, this is what the hairline looks like. As you can see, you're probably gonna have to do some customization with the baby hairs, because these do look long and they look thick. So I'm thinking that there may be some cutting and plucking needed to make it look more natural. I do like the hairline though. The inside of the cap construction has 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. So let me just cut the lace off, try it on, and show you what it looks like. Okay, so this is what it's looking like with the lace just cut off. This hairline is looking nice. Clearly I have to add my concealer because you can see it's like lighter than my skin tone, but the parting and everything, it's looking nice already. And then you got your long, crazy baby hairs going on. So let me see if I can do some cute styles with this unit. Okay guys, so as I showed you, this unit is versatile. You can do different styles with it. I didn't really experience any shedding, a little bit of tangling, but that's to be expected. The length I feel like makes it much easier to maintain. So this is everything to the front. And this is definitely Yaki, so I do like that a lot. This is to the side. And this is everything to the back. So one thing to note about this unit, if you're a person that doesn't really like putting work in to make your units look more realistic, I don't think this will be one for you. Honestly, the hardest part about this unit was the baby hairs, like to actually get them to look natural-ish. So they do give you a lot of baby hairs. It's super thick, so I did spend a good amount of time actually having to go find the baby hairs, brush them into the hairline so that it looked like there was less of them, because they kind of overdid it with the baby hairs on this one in my opinion. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you liked it. Give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below if there's any units you want me to try. And I am almost at my 200 subscriber goal, so I will be doing another giveaway. So I hope you stay tuned and keep watching. Thank you, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.